My dear students, now I am going to take about plant breeding for developing resistance to diseases. A number of disease-resistant varieties have been released for some of the crop plants in plant breeding. There are two methods followed in order to develop disease-resistant plants. One is hybridization, another one is selection. Second one is selection. So, with these two methods, it is possible to develop resistant varieties in most of the crop plants. First one is hybridization. When you cross a high-yielding variety, a disease-resistant variety with another plant, automatically disease-resistant varieties will be produced. Second method is selection. You have to select plant material free from the disease, free from the pathogen like fungi, bacteria and virus. That variety will develop into a healthy plant. That's the second method. And these are all the table given about name of the crop, name of the varieties, and that is resistant to the particular disease. First one, wheat. Himgiri is a disease-resistant wheat variety for two diseases. One is leaf and stripe rust, second one is hill bond. Leaf and stripe rust is a fungal disease. Hill bond also a fungal disease, and disease caused by leaf and stripe rust is caused by Puccinia species. And the hill bond, it is also a fungal disease. It is caused by Tilletia treti, Tilletia tretici. The second plant is Brassica. For these disease-resistant varieties develop Pusa swarni, Karari, Pusa swarni, or in general it is called Karari. It is a disease-resistant variety against the disease white rust. White rust of crucifer is a common fungal disease appear in Brassica species. In all kinds of Brassica species, the white rust will appear. This is caused by a pathogenic organism, Albugo candida. Albugo candida is a fungus which causes white rust in all Brassica plants. The third one is cauliflower. In cauliflower, two resistant varieties have been developed. One is Pusa subhara, second one is Pusa snowball K1. These two resistant varieties are developed for black rot and curl blight black rot. The black rot and curl blight black rot are caused by bacteria. The name of the bacteria, the name of the pathogen is Xanthomonas campestris. The Xanthomonas campestris causes black rot as well as curl blight black rot in cauliflower. Fourth one is cowpea. For this resistant variety is Pusa comal. Pusa comal is a disease-resistant variety of cowpea, and it is against to bacterial blight. Bacterial blight is a disease that appear in Pusa comal. It is also caused by Xanthomonas campestris. And fifth one is chili. In chili, there is a resistant variety developed, Pusa sabhara, Sadaphara, Pusa Sadaphara. This is the resistant variety against three diseases, chili mosaic virus, tobacco mosaic virus, leaf curl virus. These three are the viral diseases. So that is about plant breeding for developing disease resistant to diseases. Some disease-resistant varieties have been developed in plant breeding method. Barbani Kranti is one of the new disease-resistant variety in Abulmoschus esculentus. It's commonly called lady's finger. Bindi. The Abulmoschus esculentus, the ordinary wild variety of Abulmoschus esculentus, when it is crossed with some high-yielding variety, the high-yielding variety will produce, the quality of the high-yielding variety will be transferred to the wild varieties of Abulmoschus and esculentus. In the Abulmoschus esculentus, the hybrid variety, the new high-yielding variety is a disease-resistant variety. And that disease-resistant variety will resist the yellow mosaic viral disease. So in this way, a new disease-resistant variety is produced. Barbani Kranti is a new resistant disease variety, and that is developed from wild variety of Abulmoschus esculentus. When Abulmoschus esculentus, commonly called lady's finger or bindi, when it is crossed with high-yielding variety of Abulmoschus esculentus, the hybrid of the cross is a superior quality one that contain all the resistant power, and that is resistant to yellow mosaic viral disease. The yellow mosaic viral disease is a common viral disease appear in the Abulmoschus esculentus normally. If you develop high-yielding variety like this, that will resist the yellow mosaic viral disease. That variety, the disease-resistant variety, new disease-resistant variety is Barbani Kranti. Now we will see about hybridization in sugarcane to combine all the desirable qualities in one variety. There are two sugarcane varieties. One is Saccharum barberi. The book it is given Bar-Ray, but the correct variety is Saccharum barberi. The second one is Saccharum apicinarum. Saccharum barberi is a North Indian sugar variety. It has poor sugar content, the yield also very less. It is a very less yielding sugarcane variety, and it has less amount of sugar content. It's growing in North India. But the second variety, Saccharum apicinarum, it is a South Indian variety. It had thick stem. It contains higher sugar content, but it will not grow in North India. If you carried out hybridization experiment between these two, if you cross Saccharum barbarian with Saccharum officinarum, you will get high quality hybrid will be obtained. That hybrid will contain all the qualities of both. So the hybridization was carried out between Saccharum barbarian and Saccharum officinarum, and the hybrid obtained, the cross between these two varieties have all the desirable qualities of high yielding, thick stem, high sugar content, ability to grow anywhere else, whether it is in the North India or in the South India. So it's considered as the best variety. It is one of the method, hybridization method is to bring all the qualities from two plants in one single variety, single hybrid, high yielding hybrid. That's the method in this. Now we will see about some of the crops with the disease-resistant varieties against particular disease. In some of the plant, there are some characters, morphological character, biochemical character, or physiological characters, which will determine the insect resistance naturally. Some plants will have some of the qualities like that, some of the characteristic feature which will resist the pest. Pest means disease causing, disease transmitting, the harmful insect. All the harmful insects are collectively called pest. The pest resistant plants, some of the plants naturally they have pest resistant qualities. Those plants have some morphological character, biochemical or physiological character in order to resist the insect, in order to attack the insect. For example, solid stem. First one, solid stemmed wheat variety. Solid stem wheat varieties develop naturally pest resistant against stem soft fly. When a wheat variety contains solid stem, this stem soft fly insect will not attack that plant. That is the morphological character one. Second, smooth leaves and nectarless cotton varieties. Some of the cotton varieties are having smooth leaves and nectarless. They don't have any sugar producing glands. Nectar glands are honey secreting or sugar secreting glands. They are collectively called nectar glands. In some of the cotton varieties, nectar will be absent and the leaves will be very smooth. Such plants develop pest resistance against bollworms. This is another variety having some of the morphological character. And the third one is some of the maize plant having high aspartic acid low nitrogen content and sugar content that will resist against maize stem borer. Some maize varieties. The maize plants having high aspartic acid and low nitrogen content and also less sugar content will resist one of the pests, that is maize stem borer. So these are all the characteristic feature, morphological characteristic feature, and some of the physiological characteristic feature and biochemical characteristic feature which will resist the pest, which will give resistance to the pest, some of the pest. That's about this. Now we'll see about some of the crops, disease-resistant plants. Particular varieties are developed against some of the crops in order to resist the pest. Pest-resistant varieties. Some of the pest-resistant varieties are being developed for some of the crop. First one is Brassica. Brassica is a rapeseed mustard. It's commonly called rapeseed mustard. In Brassica, one pest-resistant variety was developed, that is Pusa gaurav, that is against to flies. Flies are very small insect that will attack mustard plant often and often, commonly will be infected with this type of pest. The second one is flat bean. There are two resistant varieties have been developed. One is Pusa stem 2 and Pusa stem 3. They are the resistant varieties against jassy, aphine and fruit borer. The third one, okra, commonly called bindi, that is the lady's finger. In this plant, there are two varieties have been developed. One is Pusa swani and the second one is Pusa A4. These two are the resistant pest varieties against shoot and fruit borer. So some of the plants have been developed against the pest in order to resist the attack of pest and to increase the yield of the plant. That is about disease resistant varieties against the pest.